Hi everyone, this is Mama Vic NYC again. Welcome to my channel. I am about to walk this snow-covered street road going to my best friend who is waiting inside that Korean restaurant. Today, yeah, it's a bad day to go anywhere because of the snowstorm. Look, all the roads are really covered with snow, but I'm braving the storm because I have lunch date with my best friend, a retiree too, like myself. So let's see what's gonna happen inside. I'm coming. Here I am, Korean barbecue #1, Haewondae. Look at those ice on the floor, on the ground. Welcome, our favorite Korean restaurant along Queens. Where is my best friend? There she is, seated in one corner. That's actually our favorite spot. Hello everyone, welcome. This is our lunch date, braving the storm. Hi everyone, this is Mama Vic NYC once again. We are having lunch, my boo and I. Tandaran, presenting to you.
Hello,
my boo. We are in
Haewondae.
Thank you so
Oh my,
much.
we'll be eating like authentic Korean food. Simple but not boring.
Okay, we'll be right back.
Thank you. You know Korean?
Yay! So this is our famous kalbi. Boo, if you want anything more, just sabi. Hi everyone, so for today we ordered for appetizer.
Dokboki.
Yes, and we have sides too. And we are awaiting for our kalbi
And japchae.
and japchae. Bon appetit! Hi Boo, welcome my viewers please.
Hi. Hello. I'm the Booski. Thank you for the treat.
Yes. This treat is coming from what I earned from my TikTok. My TikTok has been monetized like 2 months ago. So yeah, thank you so much TikTok. I hope my YouTube channel gets the same. So hi, tapos na yung aming lunch. We are now about to go to our favorite French bakery shop. Yeah! So that concludes my vlog for today. I will see you again. I hope I could go to Central Park tomorrow to sled and I can upload it. Good.